The leading cause of fires in the kitchen is unattended cooking. Be on alert. If you are sleepy or have consumed alcohol, don't use the oven or stovetop. If you are simmering, baking, roasting, or boiling, check it regularly. Remain in the home while food is cooking and use a timer to remind you that you are cooking. Keep anything that can catch on fire, oven mitts, wooden utensils, food packages, towels, or curtains away from your stovetop. If you have a cooking fire, just get out. When you leave, close the door behind you to help contain the fire. Keep a lid nearby when you're cooking to smother small grease fires. Smother the fire by sliding the lid over the pan and turn off the stovetop. Leave the pan covered until it is completely cooled. For an oven fire, turn off the heat and keep the door closed. The National Fire Protection Association discourages the use of outdoor gas-fueled turkey fryers that immerse the turkey in hot oil. NFPA encourages those who prefer fried turkey to consider a new type of oil-less fryer or to seek out professional establishments such as grocery stores, specialty food retailers, and restaurants.